There are many stories in the sutras about how to balance between tight and loose. For example, the Saṃyukta Āgama and Mahaprajnaparamita-shastra include the following story about Srona. After meeting the Buddha, Srona started to practice walking meditation whenever possible, and he bled often while walking. Srona continued to practice diligently, yet he still couldn't attain realization, and his devotion to the dharma began to waver. Srona thought, I come from a wealthy family. I can return home, make frequent offerings, and support the Sangha. This will also be considered practice. Knowing Srona had been so urgent to attain realization that he had become too tight, the Buddha asked, when you were a householder, were you good at playing vain? Srona answered, yes, I played very well. Did your vain sound best when the strings were very tight? No, it didn't. Did your veen sound best when the strings were very loose? No, it didn't. The Buddha then asked, did it sound best when the strings were neither too tight nor too loose? Srona answered, yes, it is the same with your practice. When too tight, your practice brings wildness and remorse. When too loose, it becomes too slack. Thus you should practice with a balance between tight and loose.